with water inside, the best way is to foam the window. So we're going to show you now how to foam the window. As you can see, I'm making a hole here, mainly center. So I'm going to put it in here. Okay. And we start foaming. It's fine, it will expand it. You see how it's expanding? Look, it's going right through. See how it's traveling through? We now sealed the frame itself where most of the water ingress goes inside on either side. See, it's also coming out there, can you see? So that's the only way, or else you'll have to rip out the whole frame to actually seal the window. So we allow it to expand